Intact Insurance Renters Coverage App. The pros, the cons. The Intact Insurance Renters Coverage app is a powerful tool for renters in Canada who want to manage their coverage on the go. Many think it's just a digital policy viewer, but it actually allows you to file claims, pay premiums, and track your coverage in real time. On the pros side, the app provides easy access to all your policy details, including coverage limits, deductibles, and optional extras. Claims submission is fast and intuitive. You can upload photos and documents directly through the app, which speeds up the entire process. Premium payments are straightforward, with clear billing history and automatic reminders. Push notifications alert you to claim updates, policy changes, or upcoming payments. Managing renters' insurance through a single app simplifies the process and gives users confidence that everything is in one place. On the cons side, the app's offline capabilities are limited, and most functions require an internet connection. Some users report slower loading times for older claims or detailed policy documents. Advanced tools like coverage calculators or policy comparisons are missing, which may be inconvenient for users seeking more control over their insurance planning. In conclusion, the Intact Insurance Renters Coverage app is a convenient, reliable solution for managing renters' insurance. While it doesn't offer advanced planning features, it excels in claims handling, premium management, and policy monitoring. For Canadian renters, this app offers peace of mind and efficiency, keeping all your insurance details at your fingertips.